Hi, I'm Neve. I'm studying the Clinical Behaviour Top-Up for Canine Behaviour at the University Centre Reaseheath. Tonight I'm helping out with a public lecture talking about myths in dog training and positive reinforcement. Tonight's really helped me to boost my confidence talking in large groups of people and just expanding my knowledge a bit and talking to different people that I don't know.
It was absolutely amazing. We had such a good turnout today, and it was absolutely lovely talking to everyone about their own dogs today. So I think my 3 top takeaways from the talk today, we looked at guilt in dogs and showing different emotions. And I think this is a key area which is really important for people to be able to understand different body language in dogs, what they can see, what they can understand, and how that can help with their own dog training. One of the other areas was looking into different myths around smiling behaviour and tail wagging and what those can mean again. Obviously, we now know that tail wagging doesn't just mean a happy dog, it can mean a dog who's also scared or stressed out. So understanding that, it allows us to know when we need to take a dog out of the situation or let them keep going. And thirdly, I think my biggest area was looking at communication. Communication in the dog industry is so important, not just how dogs communicate with us, but how we communicate with dogs. If we have a happy and fun voice, they're more likely to listen to us than if we seem upset or angry, because obviously they're not going to get as much as what they want from that type of person.